Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we'll teach you how to fix iPhone stuck on recovery mode issue. Best way to fix iPhone stuck on recovery mode without losing data with Joyoshare UltFix. You should download and install powerful iOS system recovery software in advance. Then activate this program. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable before starting the progress. In the pop-up window, you will find this tool can fix 150 plus issues on your iPhone. Then select the Start option, choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone stuck on recovery mode issue without data loss, and press the Next button. The information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should confirm that all of the information is valid and correct. Download and select the firm package that matches your device. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the Repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. Also, there are other 3 common ways provided for you to repair this problem. The first solution, force restart your iPhone. Press and hold your iPhone power and volume button to see the power off slider. After seeing the slider, you'll need to drag it to the right side and turn the device off. Later, you'll need to press your iPhone's power button to turn your device on again. The second solution, restore iPhone with iTunes. You should note that this solution will erase your iPhone. So, please back up your data in advance. Connect iPhone to computer after launching iTunes and put your iPhone into DFU mode. Now, iTunes will automatically detect your iPhone, and you'll need to select your device. You'll need to hit the Restore iPhone option to restore the iPhone. You try every means mentioned above, but all in vain. That goes to show it is hardware faults that contribute to iPhone stuck on recovery mode. Confronted with this, you are advised to contact Apple to ask for support from professional technicians. If there is an Apple store nearby, you can also directly bring your iPhone to it to repair. Don't forget to schedule an appointment at the local Apple store's Genius Bar harder before visiting. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.